Remember the charity single, We Are the World? Celebrities sang together to raise money to fight the famine in Africa. That was 1985. It remains one of the fastest selling pop singles ever.
I remember, for sure. Well, now musicians in New Orleans hope that they can follow that famous example. Dozens of local performers got together in their fight against cancer. Twist reporter Stephanie Oswald has the story.
It's a harmony of hope.
And it's like you're not alone or on your own, 'cause we are there for you. Right?
Musician and four-time Grammy nominee Michael J. O'Hara wrote this song hoping to raise awareness and money for the Tulane Cancer Center. He's inspired by his father, who died of prostate cancer 9 years ago.
Music has that emotional pull, that tug on someone's heart. And if you can, be inspired to write something that's memorable and something that the public can sing along with, they will remember to give generously and they'll understand what you're doing.
And what he's doing is uniting New Orleans music royalty on this melodic mission.
Right by your side, both day and night, we're there to see you through.
All this harmony is happening inside what used to be a church, Esplanade Studios. And the studio is donating its services as well.
It's an uplifting effort to fight some depressing statistics.
Prostate cancer is the second leading cause of cancer-related deaths among American men. And it takes an effort like this to raise awareness and to say, you know what, prostate cancer affects just as many men as breast cancer affects women.
So these altos and sopranos are singing in the name of survival. And for some, like three-time cancer survivor Charmaine Neville, the recording strikes a personal chord.
I'll never forget how bad I felt. And I was like, oh, what am I going to do now? I thought it was over. But I realized that I was not alone, that everything was going to be okay. So this is a great song.
You're not alone.
And Jimmy Anselmo, that's a name from the past, right? Well, many artists consider him to be one of the godfathers of New Orleans' music scene, and he played a big role in creating this bit of musical history as well.
Yeah, and Stephanie says when the final product comes out, we'll be sure to share it with you online. And she also says that there's a huge cancer rate in this country, actually higher in the state, higher than the national average. So it's a good song for a lot of people.
I would love to see it really catch on. I can't wait to hear the tune. I hope it gets a lot of radio play, and not certainly I'd love, and I know it will get a lot of play on WWOZ and places like that. But boy, if all the stations started carrying it and it took off, that'd be great. That'd be awesome.